How's it going? I'm Landan. I'm senior class of 2024 at Northwest Tech HVAC, and today I am charging a system with refrigerant. So I'll start with the things that we have here. We have a manifold gauges, we have a refrigerant scale, we have a virgin tank of 404A, we have a service valve wrench, and we have a system. So first thing we did was we hooked up our gauges. The red would be the high pressure, goes to the high pressure line, and the black or blue would go to the low pressure. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our service valve wrench and we're going to open the valve. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to open our gauges. The system does have some refrigerant in it already, but as you can see over here in the sight glass, not much. So what the scale does is tells us how much refrigerant we put into it. So now I'm going to open the refrigerant. As you can see, our pressure is slowly rising. So you can come over here to the sight glass. Most of the time you can watch it fill up. Sometimes you have to open them up just a little bit more. And then slowly, eventually, your pressure will rise. You're going to add refrigerant to the system, and your refrigerant and all the lines will go up. And sometimes in the system you have to turn it on and let it run to get the refrigerant to go through it. Thank you.